League Battle Deck Team Rocket Mewtwo Edition EX. I know. So what's in here? Cool cards. Basic Energy. All the Team Rocket trainers. All the Team Rocket Pokemons. It's cool. Comes with cool dice. Cool deck, huh? Cool. Should I open it? Or should I keep it sealed? Come on, big boy. Open it. Show how tough you are. What your money way worth is. No, you won't, eh? Look at that. That's cool. Coins. Nice. Elite game manual. That's cool. Look at that. Yep. They got even pointing. It's cool. Nice. It's good. Alright, let's see. There's the deck. There's the dice. Look at that Mewtwo there. Got the deck. Got the cool. That's the cards. Dice look cool. I like the black. 100 there. Nice. So look at these dice. Yeah, look at that. 100. It's cool. Lovely. Let's leave these straight away until I make a deck out of them straight away. Using the exact fit. Exact fit. Look at that. That's lovely. I'm using the exact fit cases. Look at that. So putting them upside down, and then I'll put them into the case the right way. Look at that. That looks so cool. And then I've got some of these. Try to match the color. Pink ones. The pink ones, what color is this? This is Fury. Fury color. Yeah, these are cool. Look at that. So, one of these puppies. Get ready for play. So we put the card into exact sleeve, and then it goes in perfectly. Ta-da! Ready for playing. Cool. Carefully. Exact fits. Nice. Look at that, that's cool. Let's see, next one. Boom, look at that. That's a cool Team Rocket Mewtwo. Alright, we go here. Ooh, look at that. Team Rocket Crobat DX. Put it on. Lovely. Cool. Cool. And another Crobat. Nice. Look at that. Okay. And the scramble switch. Cool. Mm-hmm. Ta-da! There you go. Now, what do we have in here? Should be just a standard cards. Back then as well. Got the energy, the ultra balls. We got a lot of these. More energies. Team Rockets, good. More energy. Spiders. Nice. Let's put the energies and the trainers aside. Okay, it's there. Lots of these. Okay, call that. That's cool. Lots of trainers. I think it's gonna be a very heavy trainer deck, huh? Giovanni, energy slages, cool. Cool. That. Just basically only trainers. Look at that. Oh, and there we have it. There we have it.